Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is first episode of my Flask course series. In this video we are going to explain Flask, then install Flask using pip. So let's get started. Flask is an open source Python framework to make web apps easy. With Flask you can make a website with Python programming language. You can run Flask on a host or on your computer. You also can use jQuery to send data between client and server without postback. Most of new websites are using Flask because it's based on Python. The easiest way to install Flask is installing it using pip. If you are in Mac or Windows, you need to install Python. I have uploaded a video about how to install Python. You can go and check that before this one. Open your terminal in Linux or CMD or in Windows. Then write pip install Flask. This may install Flask on your computer. If you have any problems, share me in the comments. In this series I am using Python because it's best, but you can use any IDE or any editors you want. If you want to know how to install Python free, I have uploaded a video about it. You can go and check that before this one. Open a blank Python file. Then write from Flask import Flask. Then write print Flask is imported. Now we must run the code. If we get this message, so our code is working well and Flask is installed completely. As you can see here, I have get the message and Flask is installed completely. It was the first episode of my Flask course. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more similar contents. If you have any questions, any problems, share me in the comments and I may answer soon.